MAHOUSHA PHANGLAKBA Lamdam Asigi Shing Da Ahenba Mityeng Changduna Shenmitlon Phagat-Hannaba Hotnaba Mathou Tai HAINA MU VC Professor and LOKENDRA PHONGDOKKHRE Fishery Management and Ecology ki hiramda numit humni chathagadaba International Workshop ama haudokpagi thoramda wafam ase Professor and LOKENDRA phongdokkibani Germany ki Potsdam da leiba Institute of Inland Fisheries amade Berlin da leiba Leibniz Institute of Freshwater and Inland Fisheries anigi makhada GISNERAC program ki manung chana Manipuri University ki Zoology Department na ICAR Directorate of Cold Water Fisheries Research DCFR ga khuchamdana MU da chathagadaba workshop haudokpagi thoram aduda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor and LOKENDRA na hai Manipur asi chingna question balam ama oibana malemgi miyamna irai laina yauba ngamde maram oiraga Manipur da achauba industry lakpa natraga mapalamdagi achauba funding fangbagi chang yamna neme maram aduna MAHOUSHA dagi leijaraklaba lamdam asigi nga makhal Shing Da Ahenba Mityeng Changduna pisciculture da mai onchinba tangai fade Manipur gi ithai bere chamadi loktak project na maram oiraga wetland masing hangalakpagi wafam kaya ama sulaire Masina maram oiraga hauzik lau ubu yadaba lau ubu da pothok laitabadagi laufam kaya ama ngagi farm anthok narakle tanja asida anauba system anauba khutlai amade expert kaya ga loina nga farm tawbugi changsilakli ba khongthang asi chap chaba matamni haina lawi haina so mahakna makhata khe
Incorporate the skill component, particularly fishery, fish farming, fish economy, encouragement of the local culture and the local economy. This should constitute a very important component of the vocational and the skill courses in undergraduate as well as PG program. Because ultimately NEP is interested in providing and in producing graduates and postgraduates who are trained and who are well exposed to modern methods of technology and who are given proper skillful ideas and knowledge to provide them opportunities to get themselves employed either for the government or for the companies or job for themselves. And therefore, this workshop should provide a nucleus for restructuring and reframing the syllabus of the undergraduate and the postgraduate program of our university so that some kind of a skill-oriented, technology-oriented courses should be incorporated in the syllabus and curriculum of our university.
Ngasigi thoram maduda Manipur University ki VC Professor and LOKENDRA University asigi Zoology Department ki HOD Professor TH Binoy University asigi School of Life Science and Agriculture ki Dean Professor GK N Chetri Potsdam Institute of Inland Fishery ki Director Dr. Uwe Bramek amade University asigi Inland Fisheries Department ki Head Dr. Jefferson Tidal Dibewarna thoram ki maru oiba mithung lensing oina sarukya ke